This video is how to set your memory exit seating. First step you want to do is go to settings, right there. You go to vehicle tab. You go to where it says seating position right here. You're going to make sure these two are green. That's step one. Step two is to adjust the seat so it's all the way back, giving you the most room out and lowering it. Step three is right there. You're going to push set to hear a beep, and 2 beeps on that. That means that's going to make your memory seating set up. I've moved the seat back up to the regular position. I'm going to try this right now. You're going to push power off. Seat should go back when I open the door. It did go back. We'll try getting back in now. I'll wait for these boards to go back up. And see, my seat's all the way back. I'm gonna start him up. Watch the seat, watch my feet. I'm moving. And that is how you do the recall seat. Thanks for watching.